The art of timber carpentry. The art of timber carpentry is built upon mastery of knowledge and skills. It begins with understanding wood. Each species possesses its own characteristics of hardness, strength, weight, and tendency to shrink. Additionally, the moisture content of the wood and the pattern of its growth must be taken into account. Every tree is an individual, with its grain reflecting the unique story of its life. Whether the rings are tight or wide, straight or twisted, heartwood or sapwood, all of this affects how the wood will behave in a structure. The design process for timber carpentry requires understanding wooden structures from several perspectives. Form is unified with function through geometry, aesthetics, and structural engineering. Careful and accurate plans must be prepared to the nearest 32nd of an inch. Every detail is prearranged. Next, the timbers are marked for cutting. Layout, as it is called, demands that the craftsman transpose finished dimensions into exact specifications for the application of tools. During this phase, he will assign each piece to its location and orientation within the frame so that the aesthetic of the completed space is optimized. Cutting begins with various machines and power tools. Here we are looking at a chain mortiser. The craftsman then turns to his extensive set of hand tools. These are but a few. Sharpness is key, and the avid timber framer hones his implements nightly. The hallmark of the artisan is achieving precision in his results. First noisy, then painstaking and repetitive, the work proceeds. Pieces are cut to fit together via mortise and tenon joinery. Tenon fits into mortise, and fastened with a peg, connects the two timbers securely. Joinery is at the heart of timber carpentry arts, and ranges from simple to complex. Before the advent of mass-produced nails, it was the norm for holding together wooden constructions of all kinds. Each joint is designed for a specific purpose, and selecting which joint to use where is essential to the timber carpenter's trade. The repertoire of joints at his command is testament to a craftsman's experience. In preparation for taking the frame out the door, the framer choreographs a sequence for raising the structure. Each component will be assembled and fit with the others in a specified order. The foundation will be waiting to receive the timber posts. Here, we see posts scribed to river stones, which have been embedded in poured concrete footings. Often, complex subsystems are test-fitted in advance to ensure that everything will go together as expected. Raising a timber structure is a team endeavor. This picture shows a traditional hand raising where a community has rallied in order to erect this building. Notice the pike poles that will be used once the upper beams rise beyond reach. But even when a crane is employed, assembly requires communication and coordination among team members. The work requires focus and strength at dangerous heights. After months of planning and labor, a timber structure stands. The joy of the artisan is like that of a newly delivered mother. And like a newborn babe, the naked framework is filled with potential. When complete, these buildings offer spirited spaces that evoke relationship with nature. And while some say that it is the product that makes the process worthwhile, yet others insist it is the process that infuses the product with meaning. In any event, the people delivering this craft approach it with passion, where hand meeting mind in challenge and creativity express what it is to be human.